Hi guys. Welcome in iDrawlix 2k18, the first app for Mac OS X, which make you experience the art of sewering. In this webinar we will see how to set up the longitudinal layout of a succession of conduits. Pressing the menu command Longitudinal Profile, users can access the following panel, through which it is possible to select the sequence of conduit to edit into the longitudinal layout modeler. In the above window, user should select the first manhole of the sequence to edit in the longitudinal profile layout editor, within the list of all manholes into the current archive. The list of all the manholes downstream respect to the one selected as above, is automatically filled by iDrawlix 2k18. After that, the list on the right of the panel is shown. Such a list represent the sequence of all the conduits which starts from the first manhole selected and ends with the last one. Within the current panel, user can set the horizontal section, the multiplier factor of the vertical section, the reference altitude, which can be also tuned further into the editor. Once all is set, user can press the button Show in order to access to the longitudinal profile layout editor, or the button Close in order to abort. The drop-down list on the left of the editor allows users to select the current conduit. The longitudinal profile of the current conduit can be tuned within the spin buttons on the right of the top panel. User can set to keep the slope of the current conduit locked and vary the depth to crown of the inlet manhole or the depth to crown of the outlet manhole. To keep the depth to crown of the outlet manhole and vary the other two design parameters. To keep the depth to crown of the inlet manhole and vary the other two design parameters. In some case, user will perceive that a certain conduit must be subdivided in two or more elements in order to fit the terrain slope. The current conduit can be subdivided in two via the button Split. Such a button creates automatically a pair of two new conduits as well as a new central manhole. After a run, in the longitudinal profile window, is shown the cross-section found by the iDrawlix modeler. Okay guys, our webinar with iDrawlix 2k18 is gone. Thanks for your precious attention. We will see soon, with the next iDrawlix 2k18 webinar. Visit us on iDrawlix.com.